In this video, I'm going to show you how we can remove phone number from Google account. Let's get started. Tap Google, then tap your logo, manage your Google account, personal information. Here we have phone. Which phone number you want to remove? For example, I want to remove first name phone number. We don't have any option to remove. If we scroll down here, we have two-step verification. Click two-step verification here, this symbol. Insert password. Next. Now we have option. Just click this delete. Remove. Okay. Close this one. Let's refresh. The phone number is removed. That's all. Have a nice time.